Through the Learning Factory, we have nearly 200 client-sponsored design projects and over 1,000 students working on those projects every year. And as you can imagine, coming up with 200 client-sponsored projects is an ordeal. And without the support of our industry partners and friends, it would be impossible.
So this is something that the company or the organization gets a benefit from, and the students then actually work the full semester as a team on a particular scoped project that the client wants to see the results from.
So right now, in the last 6 months or so, we've been ramping up into this move into a new building. So the move is coming really quickly, and on top of that, we've been growing just insanely. And with dealing with everything else, it was nice to hand off a project to these guys.
Clients sponsor projects typically for one of three reasons. First, companies just like Penn State. They want to get involved with Penn State, they want to be a part of stuff here, and they see this as an excellent opportunity to get involved with the students.
You know, our company was started at Penn State, so we have a affinity to work with them and give sort of, it's almost a give and take where we want to provide an opportunity to the students to be able to see what's going on here and do some other things. But on the flip side, we're looking to get value out of the project as well.
If you think of the problems that you're solving, the give back to the community for the students, I think the end result's going to be well worth the money that's been invested to get into the project.
The second group of sponsors have a real need. These might be a startup company that they've got an interesting idea and want to see it prototype. Or it might be that they just have kind of an idea and want to see what happens when you turn some students loose on it, let them explore that space.
We needed to tackle this because we were engineering our new facility and we weren't going to bring our same setup from down here to our new facility. And so because of that, we said we want a better evaluation. We think we know how we're going to do this, but we'd really like some people who have industrial engineering experience to look at it. One of the challenges that we run into, and I think most businesses run into, is that what's current and cutting edge is always changing. So from working with the student teams, we feel like they're giving us information that is sort of the cutting edge of the technology that's available today, because that's the stuff they're learning about.
The third class of project is we have a lot of companies that use these projects as their first mentoring experience for their own new hires.
So from the expense side, it's a small expense when you look at the big picture of solving an issue and helping them and helping Penn State students achieve something bigger than just a classroom exercise.